Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Philips Hue app not connecting to bridge, network, reset and firmware troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check bridge power and lights. Make sure the Hue bridge is plugged into power and check the three LED lights on the bridge. Power light on, network light on, internet light on. If any of these lights is off, reconnect the cable and restart the bridge. Fix 2. Verify the Ethernet connection. Ensure the Ethernet cable is securely connected between the Hue bridge and router. Then try a different Ethernet port on the router and if available, test with another Ethernet cable. Then wait 2 to 3 minutes for the bridge to reconnect. Fix 3. Make sure your phone is on the same network. Connect your phone to your home Wi-Fi and disable mobile data temporarily. Then confirm the phone and Hue bridge are connected to the same router/network. Then reopen the Philips Hue app and try connecting again. Fix 4. Reset the Hue bridge. Locate the small reset button on the back of the bridge and press and hold it for about 10 seconds using a paper clip. Now wait for the bridge to reboot and set up the bridge again in the Hue app. Fix 5. Restart the bridge, router, and phone. Unplug the Hue bridge and restart your router. Now restart your phone as well. Now plug the router back in and wait until it is fully online. Then reconnect the Hue bridge and wait for all lights to become stable. Then open the Hue app and check the connection. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.